As per the most recent long-haul figure, Axie cost will hit $8 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2025. Axie will ascend to $12 inside the extended period of 2026, $15 in 2028, $20 in 2030 and $25 in 2034. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.76, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13.51, and the year-to-year change plus 53%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 100%. In 2024, we hope to see $9.32 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $14.93. In the last part, the cost would add $3.36 and close the year at $18.99, which is plus 170% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.99 to $29.62, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2026 at $8.29, then, at that point, take off to $9.37 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $16.96. That implies plus 151% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $29.62 to $37.71, which is plus 27%. Axie will begin 2031 at $29.62, then, at that point, take off to $31.40 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $33.17. It is about plus 390% from today. So 4152 Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.14. So the cost diminished by 19% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8.12 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 14%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.52 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $10.56. In the last part, the cost would add $1.81 and close the year at $12.37. Which is plus 73% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.37 to $20.16, which is up 63%. Axie will begin 2026 at $12.37, then, at that point, take off to $13.4 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $13.84. That implies plus 94% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $20.16 to $29.03, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2031 at $20.16, then take off to $21.37 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $22.57. It is about plus 216% from today. The 4s are 1, 2s into 4. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $10.65, so the cost expanded by 20% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $18.21, and the year-to-year change plus 106%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 71%. In 2024, we hope to see $16.87 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.67. In the last part, the cost would add $4.06 and close the year at $27.73, which is plus 160% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $27.73 to $45.22. Which is up 63%. Axie will begin 2026 at $27.73, then take off to $29.12 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $31.02. That implies plus 191% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $45.22 to $65.17, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2031 at $45.22. Then, at that point, take off to $47.93 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $50.63. It is about plus 375% from today. The 31524. Axie Value Forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $11.12, so the cost expanded by 26% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23.35, and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 110%. In 2024, we hope to see $21.12 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $30.36. In the last part, the cost would add $1.79 and close the year at $32.15, which is plus 189% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $32.15 to $54.28, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $32.15. Then, at that point, dip to $28.15 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $29.43. That implies plus 165% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $54.28 to $68.19, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $54.28. Then, at that point, take off to $57.40 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $57.88. It is about plus 421% from today. 3s are 1 2s into 4. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.50, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.91, and the year-to-year change plus 80%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $14.39 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $20.68. In the final part, the cost would add $1.22 and close the year at $21.90, which is plus 131% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $21.90 to $36.98, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026